useful eating out and restaurant phrases. I'd like to book a table for 5 people at 8 p.m. please. I'd like to book a table for a party of 6 at 8 p.m. please. I'd like to book a table for 2 at 8 in the name of Hand, please. Could we have a table by the window, please? Could we have a non-smoking table, please? Could we have a table away from the kitchen toilets, please? Could you make sure it's a quiet table, please? I'd like to see the menu, please. For starters, I'll have the soup, and for the main course, I'd like the roast beef. Could I have chips instead of baked potatoes, please? What is the house special today? Is there anything you would recommend? I'll have a bottle of the South African Cabernet Sauvignon. Which wine would you recommend? Excuse me, but my meal is cold. Excuse me, we've been waiting for over half an hour for our drinks. I'm sorry, but I ordered the side salad, not the vegetables. Excuse me, this steak is overdone. I ordered rare. I'm afraid this wine tastes bad. Excuse me, this wine isn't chilled properly. I'm afraid my coffee is cold. Good evening. The name is Hand. I have a table booked for 6. Do you have the menu in English, German, French, please? Do you have a high chair for young children, please? Could we have a table over there, please? I'm sorry, but I asked for a table by the window. Could we have an extra chair, please? Could we have some more bread, please? Do you have a peppermill? Could I have some dressing, please? Could you pass me the salt, please? That was delicious. My compliments to the chef. Could I have the bill, please? Do you take Visa? We'd like separate bills, please. Is service included? No, please. This is on me.